Welcome to the farm.
Hey, thanks.
We're in the process of taking down this old silo.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we're trying to one up the folks on this old house.
This old silo right here?
This old silo right there, it's coming apart at the top. It's gonna kill somebody.
Oh yeah. We got a shot of that deterioration up there on the top.
What we're gonna do is hook the tractor on, get it up as high as we possibly can on one of those rungs. And put a little pressure on it. And then the intention is just, if you can see that lowest band on the silo there, the intention is to chisel away about 2/3 of the silo in the direction of the tractor, just like falling a tree, and then we'll pull it over.
Now, how are you going to chisel it?
Well, we're going to do that with a 270.
Huh? A 270 chisel?
Winchester Model 70. We're going to do that from about 20-25 yards.
Oh, you're probably not going to enjoy that much, are you?
No. But somebody's got to do it. You know?
Yeah. Okay, Bruce, what do you got there? That's the 270?
270, yeah. This is a 270 Winchester Model 70. This is the old style. I think before they started stamping all the parts. So this is a nice rifle. Yeah.
So
Dad bought that off from an old widow for $100.
From an old widow for $100.
Yeah.
Yeah. What does the shell look like that you're using?
Well, we're using a 130 grain lead point.
Oh yeah.
Wow! I got a sneak.
There's the internal damage right there. Oh. Wondering what the hell's going on. To go back for more shells. Shoulder's getting off his door, he said.
You want to take a quick look at that, see if you can figure out where the bullet ought to hit?
Okay, let's take a close-up look. Boy, Bruce, we got pretty disintegrated line right there. It ought to be pretty weak.
Let me go get the 16. I've got some slugs. I could clean this out a little more. And then I think we're going to have to chisel away at the... Take more, because there's about 1/3 still left.
Oh, so I hear you brought in some reinforcements. Steve's going to give us a hand here. He's thinking about going home and get his gun. He kind of likes this project. How you like shooting left-handed, Bruce?
Better than right-handed right now.
She's yanking on her. There she comes. Yeah! How's that for a silo?
Well, time we start shooting 9:30.
Yeah.
So it's 11:10 now.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah.
Under 2 hours.
Under 2 hours. Yeah.